हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लीजेंड्स ऑफ एजुकेशनल नॉलेज यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। आई एम महेश नोटियाल एंड टुडे वी विल स्टडी द पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Identification of this tense. The sentences of this tense are end up with था था, ते थे, ती थी, आ, ए, ई, etc. Helping verb. In simple sentences, there is no use of helping verb. In negative sentences, we use did not. In interrogative sentences, we use did before the subject, and in double interrogative sentences, we use also did before the subject. Main verb. In simple sentences, we use second form of the verb, and in negative or interrogative sentences, we use the first form of verb. Now, rule for formation of the sentences. In simple sentences, subject plus no use of helping verb plus second form of the verb plus object. In negative sentences, subject plus did not plus first form of the verb plus object. In interrogative sentences, did plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object and question mark. In double interrogative sentences, first we use the interrogative word, then did, and subject plus first form of the verb plus object and question mark. Some examples of this tense. First example is, पिछले वर्ष मैं कक्षा 10 में पढ़ता था। Simple sentence. I studied in 10th class last year. Negative sentence. I did not study in 10th class last year. Interrogative sentence. Did I study in 10th class last year? Question mark. Double interrogative sentence. Where did I study in 10th class last year? Question mark. Second example. हम रोज सुबह अपना पाठ याद करते थे। Simple sentence. We learnt our lesson every morning. Negative sentence. We did not learn our lesson every morning. Interrogative sentence. Did we learn our lesson every morning? Question mark. Double interrogative sentence. How did we learn our lesson every morning? Question mark. Third example. वह रोज गीत गाती थी। Simple sentence. She sang the song every day. Negative sentence. She did not sing the song every day. Interrogative sentence. Did she sing the song every day? Question mark. Double interrogative sentence. Why did she sing the song every day? Question mark. फोर्थ एग्जाम्पल, मैं कल नैनीताल गया था। सिंपल सेंटेंस, आई वेंट टू नैनीताल यस्टरडे। नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, आई डिड नॉट गो टू नैनीताल यस्टरडे। इंटेरोगेटिव, डिड आई गो टू नैनीताल यस्टरडे? क्वेश्चन मार्क। डबल इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, फॉर व्हाट डिड आई गो टू नैनीताल यस्टरडे? क्वेश्चन मार्क। फिफ्थ एग्जाम्पल, बच्चे ने शीशा तोड़ दिया। सिंपल, चाइल्ड ब्रोक द मिरर। नेगेटिव, चाइल्ड डिड नॉट ब्रेक द मिरर। इंटेरोगेटिव, डिड चाइल्ड ब्रेक द मिरर? क्वेश्चन मार्क। डबल इंटेरोगेटिव, व्हाई डिड चाइल्ड ब्रेक द मिरर? क्वेश्चन मार्क। Thus, it is enough for today. We will meet in the next video soon. Stay healthy, wealthy and wise. If you want more details, contact us on mobile number 9927206065 or 9927310911 of the Permutation Coaching Institute. Thanks for watching.